Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both earbuds and your device so pairing is reliable. Charge the case and earbuds above 20% to avoid interruptions and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Once done, open the charging case near the phone. The Wave Beam usually enters pairing automatically when the case opens. If the LEDs don't flash, press and hold the case or earbud button for 3-5 seconds to force pairing mode. This ensures the earbuds broadcast a discoverable signal for your device to find. Next, you locate the earbuds on your device and confirm the link. On your phone's Bluetooth list, tap the entry labeled JBL Wave Beam or the model name shown. Once selected, tap Connect. Make sure to accept any permission requests for media and calls so audio routes correctly. You'll hear a confirmation chime from the earbuds and see a connected icon on your phone. If one ear is silent, make sure the other is connected first. Then toggle Bluetooth to resync both sides. To finish, fit the earbuds and confirm audio balance so you get clear sound. You can open the JBL app to update firmware, configure controls, and optimize noise settings. Updates fix many connectivity issues. If something goes wrong, try a reset. Place earbuds in the case, hold both earbud touch sensors or the case button for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repeat pairing. If problems persist, restart your phone and try again. That clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.